Welcome to another video on how to add music on Instagram Notes. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open up your Instagram application and log into your account if you haven't logged in yet. Once you're logged in, tap on this messenger-like icon at the upper right corner right here. And here you'll be able to find the notes section. Now click on the plus icon and now you can share your thought in the bracket. Type down whatever you feel like, and you can also add emojis right here. And next, to add a song to your story, simply click on this music-like icon right under your profile. You'll be redirected to the music page where you'll find various tracks. If you want to put on a particular song, then you can simply type down the name of the song in the search bar right here and click on the track to select it. Once you're done, tap on check mark. And now to finally put it on your Instagram notes, simply tap on share at the upper right corner. And you'll be done. There you go. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.